good morning and welcome to day 8 of the trip. Today's raining and I am heading from Newport to a campground 4.5 hours away from me. So as I'm on this trip, because I have everything with me, some interesting things happen that on a regular trip wouldn't happen. So last night the bed in that Airbnb was really soft. I was laying down on it, it started hurting my back. I was like, you know what, it doesn't matter. I opened my own down mat and my own quilt and I slept on the floor because I found my stuff on the floor more convenient than laying down on the mat, on the mattress of the Airbnb. I was thinking, this bike trip is really spoiling me because I have everything with me at any time for everything I want, and it's just so kind of convenient to just reach my hand and just take whatever I want the way I want it, whether it's not liking their stove or not liking their food or not liking their plug or anything. It's just a I say it's a bonus of the trip, so I'm enjoying that part of it a lot. This is Seal Rocks. It's beautiful. Okay, so what's my process of changing the battery of the e-bike? I'm just gonna do a time lapse, show you guys the process and how long it takes. Well, that's it. That's the whole process. Takes less than 2 minutes to 3 minutes to do the whole thing. Okay, so this is great place for me because I don't have a car, but there is a driveway here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up my tent right here on the asphalt, but I'm gonna put the door in a way that I'm gonna get this power line inside this. There's power and there's those cables, right? So I can get my extension cord power bar come out. My extension cord power is short, but still if I can put my cover somehow in a way that it's gonna cover it, that would be great. Okay, let's go and show you what happened. So this is the tent, and from there is one that is connected to the power and goes to the power bar, so that's for the bike. After this is done, I'm gonna replace that battery and put another battery on, so I can keep it safe. So I'm gonna leave everything there as is. There's stuff because there's a waterproof cover and a waterproof bag, so that's good. That's a waterproof cover, and under it is waterproof bag, so I want to put my stuff there. So there is a power bar hidden inside that, so I'm gonna probably charge everything. There is one little bag there, and then inside I have my stuff for sleeping, so I'm gonna wear this at night. I'm gonna put this on at night. That's my towel for taking a shower, and this is my mattress and quilt, and that's a bag that I have valuables, laptop and other things there, and makes it heavy because I haven't secured this. Okay, not that every night is like this, but when I'm in a campground or sometime I don't have the time to figure out dinner, this is my quick dinner. So my quick dinner is on my Jetboil. I warm up some water, I put some type of meat in it, so either beef jerky or pepperoni slices or spam. Not a lot of spam, it's my first time actually eating spam in my life. Anyways, and then I just mix it, and then I put my magic spice mix, which makes everything delicious. So tonight I also have this Italian mushroom spaghetti sauce, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna warm up the water, put this has to stew for 10 minutes. I'm gonna stir it for 7 minutes and mix the ramen and the beef and just let it stay there. Probably gonna have spaghetti with ramen noodles. Okay, after 10 minutes food is served. So the reason today took 10 minutes was because I was using this Italian mushroom mix, which I picked up at the grocery store that I was just passing. I'm just experimenting with the mushroom spaghetti sauce. Probably never gonna buy it ever again, but I mean, I saw it at the store and I bought it. And so here is the food, and so at the bottom there is the meat at the very bottom that I have to bring it to the top. That's technically what started their journey as a jerky, and then right now is rehydrated. And these are Trader Joe's jerky, so there is no nitrate or anything like that in these. So they're actually pretty good. And then the ramen noodles, obviously there's ramen noodles, and then my mix of spices, and there we have our own dinner in less than 10 minutes.